My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 Nissan Pulsar. This vehicle has done just under 45,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have automatic headlights, and on the right we have cruise control and automatic wipers. To the left of our screen we can access radio, CD and aux. On the right we have map, navigation, information and setup. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our dual zone climate control, as well as our keyless ignition. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.